Yeah,
Hello, sir.
everything good?
Yeah, everything good, sir.
All right. Revised everything?
Yes, I revised.
All right. Let's wait 2 minutes for the students to come. All right.
All right, sure.
All right. Let's start the class. Mithun, do you know about logarithms?
Yes, sir. Some here and there.
Okay. Right. So today what we're going to study is logarithmic differentiation. All right.
Sir, after that implicit and explicit function, this is the next topic, right? Because I missed one
Yes.
class. Okay.
Yes. So what is logarithmic differentiation? Before that, we need to know about log and few properties of log. All right.
Yes.
So what is log? Log is another way of writing exponents. All right. What are exponents? E to the power x, a to the power x, 3 to the power x, right? And 3 to the power 2. Everything are exponents, right, Mithun?
Yes, sir.
Zayed, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. Hello, Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your voice is very low, Abdul. Can you check your mic?
Just a second, sir.
No, you're not audible very clearly. Your voice is coming very low. Hello, Sahel.
Hi, sir.
Everything good?
All good, sir.
All. We just started today's class.
Okay, sir. All
We're
right.
going to study about logarithmic differentiation in this class.
Okay.
All right. So, just Abdul, everything good now?
Yes, sir, it's good.
Still coming low, but it's all right. I can manage. No issues. So this is your first class, I guess, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. In your school, have they completed this chapter, continuity differentiability?
No, sir, still not. Still not completed.
Start. Then good. We also started this in the last class. We did not do a lot of them. All right. And you will get the lecture videos also. So this is a very new topic. You don't need to know a lot about this. All right. Before knowing this. All right. So please, if you face any difficulties in today's class, just ask me. All right. Without hesitation. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Up to your voice. All right. So today we are going to start logarithmic differentiation. All right. So before knowing that, we have to know what is log. Log is another way of writing exponents. And what are exponents? E to the power x, a to the power x, 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, everything, anything that you write in power. All right. We can say that is exponents. You must have studied a chapter in the younger classes, exponents and powers, in which you dealt with this, right, everyone?
Right, sir.
So this is what exponents are. So what we do, if we write 2 to the power 3 equals to 8, this is true or not? This is true or not, this statement?
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you change this into log, then what happens? Log, this equals to thing comes as the base, as the main exponent, and the base here comes as the base here. This you have to write as 3. All right. So what does this log say? What power of 2 gives us 8? What power of 2 gives us 8? So if you change this, you can write 2 to the power x is 8. You have to find x. This is x. Is this thing clear? How we define log?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sahel, this is clear?
So then how would you solve x in this? 2 raised to x equals 8.
You can do this. 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So x must be 3.
No, I mean like example, if some other number, how would you solve it?
Yes,
Like
we'll go
using
into
log.
that. No. See, if you face any number which you do not know powers, like suppose log 10 base 2. So there is no direct power, right? Like 2 to the power 2 is 4, 3 is 8, 4 is 16. So we do not know how much the power s exactly, then you have to use log table. You cannot solve like without the log table, but that will not be the case in any of the questions. We are just going to focus on the properties. All right, Sahel?
Okay, so we're just using some sorts of logarithmic differentiation, right? Nothing else.
Yes, nothing else. You don't have to find the like power or the value of log anywhere. If you ever need any power, they will give you the value. All right, don't worry.
Right, sir.
Everyone is clear. Abdul, this is clear.
Sir, it's clear.
All right. Hello, Aman.
Hello, sir.
Today we started logarithmic differentiation. This is log. What is log? Another way of writing exponents. So if you write 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8, we can change this into log as log 8 to the base 2. This is read as to the base 2, which is equals to 3. All right, how we read this? Log 8 to the base 2. All right, please
Okay,
note
sir.
it down, everyone. Note it down. Done, everyone? All right, Sahel. See, the last point is how to read this. If I write like log 15 to the base 3, this will be read as log of 15 to the base 3. All right, so that we can know what is the base and the what is the exponents here. All right, Sahel.
Right, sir.
Abdul, this is absolutely clear.
Sir, it's clear.
All right, everyone done?
Yes.
So types of logarithm, and I can write log, you guys write logarithm. All right, I can be lazy, you cannot. I'm the teacher. All right, so there are two types of log. One is natural log, second is common log. What is natural log? If the base is e, I hope you all know what e is, right?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct, sir. E is 2.71, one constant number. Common log, if the base is 10. So if you see ever logarithm to the base 10, then that is common log. If you ever see log with the base e, that is natural log. All right, and in most of the cases in NCERT, they will not be writing the base. All right, without base. And what will be the base? Base will be e. All right, everyone clear?
Yes.
If you do not see base written log 15, then this is inherently meant log 15 base e. All right,
Sir, so that means 2.7 raised to what is this number?
15. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
All right, and you will never have to find that number. Don't worry. All right.
Yes, sir. But in chemistry and all, we come across this question. So I always add
Yes,
this that
yes.
what does this actually mean?
All right, now it's clear, Mithun?
Yes, sir. Now clear.
All right, all right. So in physics and chemistry, I guess you must have remembered the value of log 2, log 3.
Yeah, log 1 to log 10, something like that. Some values.
Right, right.
Last year.
But here you will not be needing any values. We are just going to use the properties. All right. Note it down. Tell me if you are done. Abdul, this is clear?
So it's clear.
All right, Zaid. Everyone noted this down?
So just a minute.
All right.
Done,
Yes,
sir.
that's cool. Zaid, good idea. If everyone is done, just raise your hands. I will know. All right. All right, Zaid. All right. So everyone is done. Sahel, Abdul, you guys are done?
Done, sir.
Yes. So
So done,
from
sir.
the next time, just all right, Abdul. Just raise your hands from the next time, and we will know. All right. So Mithun, you must have asked this question to yourself also, that why log, right? Why do we need it? Did you ask this question?
Yes, sir. Giving headaches always derivations.
Right, right, right. So why so? Do you like addition more or multiplication? Which one you find easier?
Addition, sir.
Addition. So that's what log does. If you have many quantities in multiplication, 15 into 18 into 34 into something, log converts that into addition. That's the main focus of log, to convert difficult tasks into easy tasks. How? There is a property of log which is called product rule. What it does, if you write log m into n, all right, there is no base. That means base is what?
E.
E. So if you have two numbers in multiplication in log, then you can write this as log of m plus log of n. This is very important. All right.
Yes.
What this means, if you have log x into sine x, then you can write this as, who can tell me?
So log x plus log sin x.
Absolutely right. Everyone is clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very important property. So note it down. Tell me if you're done. And even you don't need to know how this is done. You just need to know the properties. All right. After raising the hands, you have to put down the hands also, so that from the next time I get to know. All right. So next one is division rule. If you have two numbers in division, all right, and it's not true just for two numbers. You can have as many numbers as you want in division. Then you can write this as log of m minus log of n. This thing is clear? Even
Yes,
if you
sir.
have log of x upon sine x. Abdul, what we can write this? Abdul, I need the answer from you. Abdul is on. Mithun,
Sir, log x minus log of sin x.
absolutely. This is true for many numbers of quantities. If you have log of 5 into 6 into 8 upon 12. So all the multiplications you can write as log of 5 plus log of 6 plus log of 8 minus log of 12. This thing is clear?
Yes.
All right. Mithun, Sahil, Aman.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So these are two extremely important quantities. Star mark this, sun mark this, whatever you can mark. All right. Just mark this. Remember this properties. Note it down. Raise your hands when you are done. All right. Next one is exponent tool. What is exponent tool? If you have log of m raised to the power n, and this guys is not is log of m whole power m. This is different from this, right? This is log m into log m. This is log m into m. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
No, so 1 second. Log m. The first one is log m raised to n, right?
Right. So let me
Yeah,
give you
but
example.
yeah,
This is
but
log 2 raised to the power 2, and this here is log 2 whole power 2.
so it's like a function. The whole thing.
Yes. So you remember the body and soul. This is the soul.
Yeah.
Soul square. This is
Okay.
whole body square. All right.
Got it. Got it.
So if you have like this soul to the power soul, then one of the soul can come outside. N log m. Very important thing. If you have, for an example, log x to the power sine x, then this you can write sine x log x. Is this thing clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. And remember this is only soul to the power soul. If you have body power, then nothing will work. All right. Don't bring this to the front. Note it down also. All right. Am I done?
Yes, sir. Done.
All right. Last property, I don't know the name of the property. I don't think there is a name of that property. If you have e, you can put on 4, e to the power log of m base e. All right. Whatever the base is written here also. If you have a scene like that, then this whole thing becomes invisible. You can write this is equals to m. Is this thing clear?
Yes.
So
All
can you
right.
please repeat?
All right. Suppose I write 2 to the power log 5 base 2. All right. We know this log of 5 base 2 we have. If I write this quantity in the power of 2, all right, Mithun,
Okay.
then this will become 5. This
Okay.
whole thing will become invisible.
No,
Gayab.
so the base is
Yes.
2 for the log, right? Then how will it happen?
Yes.
Because for the first one, it's base is e, but here
So
it's
see
2.
here also there is e
Okay, it should be equal 2 and 2. Okay,
equal. Yes. So
Alright,
if
that's
you
one
have
property.
a, yeah, a to the power log m base a, then this whole thing will be invisible.
Okay, if it is not equal, then it won't work.
No, it will not work.
Okay, sir.
All right. I hope this is clear. Very important property. All right, Zed. All right. So few little things. Who can tell me this? Log a base a. What will be the answer here? Log a base a.
So
Sir,
1.
1. Absolutely right. So you have any number in log and to the base the same thing, and the answer will be 1. No, Zed, the answer will be 1. And sixth one, log of 1 to the base anything. This will be equals to
0.
0. Absolutely right. Because anything to the power 0 is 1. Right, Mithun, this is clear?
Okay, sir.
Please note it down. All right.
Sir, this a can be any number.
Any number. All right. But in log, the domain of log is from like positive numbers and cannot be 1. So it cannot be negative. All right.
Okay.
Done, everyone?
yes.
So this is all about log. Now let's see how to use in differentiation, right? We are starting differentiation and not studying logarithm. So how to use this in questions? If you have y equals to sine x, sine 3x into sine 5x. I hope you guys remember differentiation. Mithun, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So how we can differentiate this? We can differentiate this in two ways. First, product rule, right? You can assume this is u, this is v, then use u into v form, right? Differentiation of first function into second function plus differentiation of second function into first function. Then you have to use product rule again. You will get the answer. All right.
Yes.
Second one is, I just told you what log does. Log converts multiplication into addition, and we like addition. So what we can do, take log both sides. So log of y will be log of sin x into sin 3x into sin 5x. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Everyone else?
Right, sir. Right. Now we can actually use the product rule which we learned right now.
Absolutely. So we can write this is log y equals to log of sin x plus log of sin 3x plus a log of sin 5x. Now the differentiation is very simple. Differentiation of log y will be 1 upon y dy by dx. Right? Chain rule. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Here also differentiation of log of sin x with respect to sin x first, right? Sole body, I hope you remember this. Then differentiation of sin x with respect to x. This is clear?
Yes.
All right, Zaid, absolutely correct. So this is differentiation of log of sin 3x with respect to sin 3x into differentiation of sin 3x with respect to sin 3x into differentiation of 3x with respect to x. This thing is clear or not, everyone? Yes or no, guys? Mithun, Sahel?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can you just explain one more the RHS?
All right,
Reading.
all right, no issue. See, just ask me without hesitation. I've told you, right? I'm here for you guys. No need to hesitate. If you have to differentiate this, Mithun, you are in the last class, right? Chain rule.
Yeah, I was just forgot. I
So
think
which is the body? Yeah, which is the body? Which is the soul here?
body. Sir, log, right?
Absolutely right.
Sorry, I
Sin
didn't
x
hear.
is the
Soul.
soul.
Soul. Yeah.
So first we have to differentiate with respect to the soul, right?
Yes.
Then differentiating that soul in upon dx, right?
Yeah.
So you can assume this as t. So log t differentiation will be 1 upon t into differentiation of sin x will be cos x.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is t? T is sin x. So cos x upon sin x will be differentiation of this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can differentiate this also in the same way. First differentiation of log, then sin, then 3x. Same here also. Log of, then sin, then 5x. Yes?
Okay, sir. Fine.
Sahel, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Aman?
Yes, sir.
Zaid, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. So let me write the final answer. This is 1 upon y dy by dx equals to log of sin x will be cot x plus this will be 1 upon sin 3 cos 3x into 3 cot x plus 5 cot 5x. You guys can try and write the answer. So dy by dx will be 5 times cot x plus 3 cot 3x plus 5 cot 5x. Just put the value of y again, you will get the answer. All right.
Yes.
So cos x, right? Not cot x.
No,
Cos-
cos x upon sin x, cos x upon sin x
No,
will be
no.
cot x.
Sin x upon So sin x by x, right?
So tan x.
I
Did
mean,
do
like,
something wrong?
so I mean, like, differentiation of sin x is cos x, right? Not cot x. Okay,
No,
but
no,
okay,
no. But ultimate answer will be cot x here, right? Because see, log of sin x, first if you differentiate this, then 1 upon sin x into sin x differentiation is cos x. So cos x
right.
upon sin x will be cot x,
Okay, okay. Afterwards, okay, got it.
right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, please note it down. Please differentiate also. Don't just copy it down. From this step, differentiate. If you cannot, then just ask me. All right. Mithun, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, just solve it and tell me if the answer is matching or not. All right, done, Mithun?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's give you guys a question to solve. Similar question. Y equals to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Please solve this. And these are into multiplication, right?
Yes.
You guys can solve this, right? Everyone?
Yes.
All right. Sahel, Aman, Mithun.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
All right.
Sir, all the steps are needed, or can we skip some steps and write the answer?
All these steps are needed.
Okay, sir.
All right, Zaid. All right. Sahel, have you solved this? Right. Absolutely right. You can take negative common and put the value of y also. All right. Don't leave the answer
Right.
in y.
Right, sir. Yeah.
All right. So next question. If you have something like x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. If they ask you to differentiate this, or even under root, then this is very difficult question to differentiate, because you will need to chain rule, then division rule, then product rule. Right, everyone?
Yes.
All right. Mithun, you can solve this like this, right? First chain rule, then product rule, then division rule. But why so? Because we have the power of log with us. So if we take log, then this is log of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Can I write this as whole power 1 upon 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now we know this property that power comes outside,
Yes.
and this thing is in multiplication, so we can add them, and this is in division, so we can separate them. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So this we can write log y equals to half brackets log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 plus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Yes or no? Anybody has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
All right. Now we can differentiate this very easily, right?
Yes.
Please differentiate. Tell me when you are done. So if you face any questions like this, which seems very difficult, always use log if the things are in multiplication or in under root and so on. All right, Mithun, we can write the question like this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So please try to solve this. Tell me the answer in the chat.
So x minus 4 and x minus 5 are in multiplication with each other in the division, dividend.
But
So should we put subtraction or
but in log C it is in division, right?
yeah?
So
No, I mean like
subtraction.
yeah, subtraction only, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Got it.
All right, sir. All right, I think everyone solved this.
Yes.
All right. Aman,
Yes, sir.
all right. So no need for me to solve this, I guess.
No. Sir.
All right. Let's solve another question.
So my final answer is sent to you in chat. It's right?
Yes, it's correct. Last two subtraction.
Yeah.
Obviously, that's right. Yes, everyone is correct. So this is another type of questions where you can use log if you have cos x to the power sin x. Cos x to the power sin x. Here, if you have a to the power x, then we can differentiate this a to the power x log a. If you have x raised to the power a, we can write a x raised to the power a minus 1. But this is not the case here. We have a variable to the power variable, sol to the power sol. Right, everyone?
Yes.
All right. Aman, Sahel, Mithun.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. So if we take log y equals log cos x raised to sin x, then we
Right.
can bring down sin x, right?
Absolutely right. So this will be log y equals to
Sin x
sin
log
x.
x cos x.
Yes. Then you can use product rule and get the answer. Right? Right, everyone?
Right, sir. Right.
So please solve this. Tell me the final answer. Mithun, Aman, this is clear?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
All right, please solve this. All right, Zay. Zaid, you should get the right answer.
So is it correct or should I change?
Or everyone has the different answer. Let me solve this. Then you can match your answers. All right. Aman, you solve this?
No, sir, not yet.
All right, 2 more minutes.
Sir, can you solve it?
All right. So differentiation of log y will be 1 upon y dy by dx. So suppose this is u, this is v. So u v dash plus v u dash. So u will be sin x into differentiation of log of cos x. So this will be 1 upon cos x into minus sin x. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Everyone is clear about this? Aman, Mithun,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
plus log of cos x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So 1 upon y dy by dx equals to, this is sin x into minus tan x plus cos x into log of cos x. Just multiply this y to this side, we'll get the answer. All right, Zaid, no worries. Just get the right answer.
So
Everyone is clear about this?
yes.
All right, so let's move on. So there is a fourth type of question.
Sir, just a minute. I'm just copying it.
All right. Right, don't leave it like this. Multiply this y, put the value of y, then leave the question. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. So there is a fourth type of question they will ask. They may ask you what is dy by dx if y equals to x raised to the power x plus y raised to the power x plus x raised to the power y. All right. So we know log does one thing good. It changes multiplication into addition. But what if the question is already in it? What we can do then? We can write this. Suppose this is u, this is v, and this is w. I can write this like this, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Now if I differentiate, so dy by dx will be equals to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx, right?
Yes.
All right, everyone. Everyone.
Yes,
Won't
sir.
we will so won't we we shall not use log here or not?
No. See, if you take log here, then log of u plus v plus w will not be giving any results, right? Because they are in
No, I'm like
addition.
separately. If we take log x raised to x,
Yes.
then we can get
Yes.
yeah.
That you have to do here. Now what you can do, just find the value of du by dx. How? We know u is x raised to the power x. So now you can take log, right, Sahan? Solve this separately.
Yes.
Okay, I have already
Why?
solved. Like it will be like x log x, then it will be plus will be log. Yeah.
All right. So differentiate this separately using log. Just substitute the values here. You will get the answer. All
So
right.
is it necessary to take u v w like that?
Yes, very necessary. All right.
Okay.
If you make any single mistake, then whole question will be wrong, and this is a long question, right? 4 or 5 mark question. All right.
Right.
So it's better to be very clear, right?
So then we have to take log on the LHS as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Because
Sir,
if you don't do that,
this
then
way-
question.
of separately taking the derivatives and doing the logarithms. We can do only for necessary for 3 or more than 3 addition summing, right? For 2 terms means we can do normally. Like in RHS, actually it's U plus V plus W. Or if there is only U and V, is it necessary to follow the same step?
Yes, yes, absolutely necessary. Because even if you have just two, x raised to the power x plus y raised to the power x, you cannot take log, right? Because taking log will not solve this addition problem. So you have to take u and v. Whenever
So
you
what
have,
is W? W is x raised to x.
yes, yeah. Let me just give you the question.
Okay, so x
Sorry,
raised
I
to y,
wrote
sir.
this.
Right.
Yes. This is x raised to the power y. Right. I hope this is clear. If you have variable to the power variable, we take log, but they have added many things. So we assume that things as substitution, then find the answers differently, separately, using log, then substitute the value again. Am I clear? Let me just solve one. We can take log a, so log u will be x log x. Now we can differentiate, find du by dx, put the value here. Right, everyone?
Yes.
All right, Mithun, Sahil, Aman.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
So
sir.
please solve this. Tell me the answer. Z, you have to find dy by dx. So take all the dy by dx terms one side and solve. All right, Sahel. Aman, Mithun, you guys have solved this?
No, sir. It's just solving.
All right. So let me solve this also. You can match your answers. Log u differentiation will be 1 upon u du by dx. And this will be log x plus 1. Du by dx will be x raised to the power x 1 plus log x. I hope I am clear about this. Du by dx. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
So log v will be x log y. So differentiation will be 1 upon v dv by dx equals to this will be log y plus x upon y dy by dx. So dv by dx will be equal to v is y raised to the power x log y plus x upon y dy by dx. Yes or no? Everyone? So log w will be y log x. So differentiation will be 1 upon w dw by dx equals to dy by dx log x plus 1 upon x y. So dw by dx will be equals to w as x raised to the power y dy by dx log x plus y upon x. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear about this? Du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx. Sahel, Mithun,
Sir, the second last step of
your voice is not audible clearly, Mithun.
the second last step of u is equal to x to x.
I just multiply this u to this side. You did not get this one. How I reached this point? Using this product rule. This is u and this is v. Right?
Okay.
Same here. This is u. This is v. Product rule. Aman, this is clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
All right. So now we can put dy by dx is equal to du by dx, which is x raised to the power x into 1 plus log x plus dv by dx, which is y raised to the power x log y plus x upon y dy by dx plus dw by dx, which is x raised to the power y dy by dx log x plus y by x. We have to find dy by dx. So again, we have to simplify this thing. So dy by dx will be equals to x raised to the power x 1 plus log x. We have to open this thing bracket. So y raised to the power x log y plus y raised to the power x x upon y dy by dx plus x raised to the power y log x dy by dx plus x raised to the power y upon x. Now this quantity and this quantity, we have to take this to the left side because we want dy by dx. So dy by dx minus y raised to the power x x by y dy by dx minus x raised to the power y log x dy by dx equals to this, and this. So x raised to the power x 1 plus log x plus x raised to the power y, sorry, x y raised to the power x log y plus x raised to the power y by x. Now taking dy by dx common here, 1 minus y raised to the power x upon y minus x raised to the power y log x equals to same thing. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
I told you this is a long question. You have to solve till this step. Sahil, just 5 minutes. We can end this class in 5 minutes. All right.
All right, sir.
Everyone is clear about this? What we did in this question? Very important questions. Aman, Mithun, Sahil, Zaid.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
All right. So if you guys need, just write it down. Tell me when you are done. Write it down, guys.
Sir,
Yes, Mithun.
at the end of the class, could you please say which all textbook exercise we need to practice as well?
Sorry. What did you say at the end of the class?
Like, could you please say that NCRT questions to practice?
Yes. You'll be getting assignments also. Are you not getting assignments? Mithun?
I haven't checked it. I checked one day, it was not available. There's some issue with the app, I think.
All right. No worries. Let me just give you the NCRT. I'll talk to the team. They will send the assignment in the WhatsApp also. Don't worry. Just give me a moment. All right. Exercise 5.5 you guys can solve. All right. NCRT exercise 5.5.
Okay. All questions?
Yes, all questions you can solve. All right. This is logarithm differentiation. And you will only see questions we have solved in the class. So don't worry. They are almost similar questions. All right.
Okay, sir. Fine.
So this is all for today's class. I hope you guys understood everything.
Yes, sir.
All right. See you in the next class, guys. Please revise, complete the homework, and take care. All right.
Thanks,
guys.
sir. Bye.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, Smith.